Hi friends, it's Yimin here. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to go through what YX Insights has to offer, why it's different, as well as a little bit about myself. So at university, I studied government economics, as well as real estate economics and finance at the London School of Economics. As you can see, there's a lot of economics in my background. And in my first job, I was trained as a chartered accountant in the UK, which is the CPA equivalent of the US. And after completing my qualification, I managed to move on to the trading floor at RBS. And I was the primary market maker for dollar CAD, dollar yen, Aussie dollar, and Kiwi dollar FX swaps, as well as all the short-term interest rate swaps products for those currencies. So a huge part of my life on the trading desk is thinking about Fed, as well as all the other central banks, the way they approach interest rate decisions and how they affect markets. And also a large part of it is about risk management and having quick, effective mental models to react to live market data. And don't worry, we'll go through all of it on YX Insights. So since leaving the trading floor and starting my own business, I actually wrote for Cestern Capital Research on both macro and individual equities in the past 4 years. And before you know it, it's 100 pieces of writing, and now I'm the leading commentator for the FOMC press conference on CQ Alpha News for over 2 years as well. With YX Insights, I want to bring actionable trade ideas to my audience in 3 major areas. First, income producing instruments, such as the US Treasury ETFs, fixed income funds, and business development companies. Secondly, a targeted list of mega cap technology companies and financial stocks, which include banks, asset managers, exchanges, and payments. And finally, I look to roll out crypto coverage as well, and that includes both crypto stocks and underlying coins. Our work is different from the street because our work begins with analysis of the interest rates market, which is the bigger brother of the equities market in both size and importance. And this is an idea I really want to lean into. Equity pricing at a particular point in time is heavily dependent on the relative price of money, which is in turn influenced by the Fed and forward expectations of the interest rates market. By understanding the price of money, which we do through institutional grade analysis of the interest rates markets, we have an edge in equities. And my focus is to bring that edge to you. And by not understanding how the Fed makes its decisions, as well as how those decisions impact equities and crypto markets, investors and traders risk a huge blind spot in their decision-making process. And this becomes very obvious if you just look at the past few years, where markets rallied and tumbled at every turn with the changing expectations of rate hikes and rate cuts. For every instrument we cover, we lay in short-term trade setups, as well as the longer-term outlooks. And we deploy a multi-model approach using a variety of tools like the discounted cash flow analysis, liquidity analysis, comparable valuations, and additive wave theory technical analysis as well. I host weekly webinars and a community on Slack, and I will thoroughly answer any questions you may have on the live Q&A, as well as Slack discussions and any comments on my posts as well. I believe no question is trivial. Every time we discuss a question, it brings better understanding of markets for both of us and better quality work from me to you. So if you think this is something that may interest you, you can claim your 7-day free access now and lock in the discounted price forever. So we don't do inflation over here at YX Insights after you've subscribed. Again, thank you for joining me today. I'm very excited to having you on our journey together. See you soon.